Hey there, winos. This is Vince.Wine, and today I am super excited to be tasting Stella Rosa Royale. Stella Rosa is putting on their Royale Marathon, which is their contest to see which of you winos can submit the best wine pairing with Royale. So today let's check out what this wine has to offer on its own, and let's also do some interesting cocktails in honor of our Royale Marathon on today's Stella Rosa Spotlight. Thanks for joining me. And before we get started today, if you want to be a winoceros, hit subscribe on this channel to become a wino today. I'll put out new videos every single Saturday, so be sure to hit that bell icon to stay notified for more great wine content. So this is Stella Rosa Royale Rosso. It is a semi-sweet and semi-sparkling wine, just as all of the Stella Rosa wines are. And just like all of the Stella Rosa wines, it is a product of Italy. Now, one of the great things about this one is 8% alcohol. Now remember, this is not a sweet bomb. It's pretty balanced. But wines that are a little bit sweet are really good pairings with spicy food. I'll leave a link to my Stella Rosa green apple and red apple video where I actually paired it with a little bit of Thai food. I think that was at the very end of the video, but it worked really well with Thai food. That was really delicious. And the fact that it is frizzante or semi-sparkling means that it's got a really refreshing palate and mouthfeel as well, really cleansing that palate for every bite of food. So I want to pop the cork or twist the cap on this bad boy today and find out what does Royale Rosso have to offer in the glass. Let's go ahead and get a look at that. I'm loving that color. I'm kind of in the shade right here, but came out a really pretty ruby color. Let me get it in the light. Yeah, this is a really beautiful, light-bodied looking wine here. Super low concentration. I can see my hand right through it. Pretty ruby red color with sort of these pink tones around the rim here, and you can see just a little bit of the bubbles in there from that frizzante semi-sparkling style. And check out that really nice viscosity, which just speaks to maybe a kiss of residual sugar and some nice viscous body as well. Okay, on the nose, oh man, ooh, this actually has a really pretty bouquet on it. I would say that there's all that typical fruitiness, but I'm getting something a little bit herbaceous on the nose. I'm sure that that's maybe not in the typical tasting notes for this wine. Certainly all those really pretty red fruits. It's actually deep red fruits, blackberries, raspberries, really deep, pretty red fruits in there. But yeah, it's funny, I'm getting a little bit of like stony minerality. I wonder if that's from like that Italian terroir. This is a product of Italy. Not something I quite expected, but pleasantly surprised to find in here. Let's get it on the palate. Oh. Okay, this is actually really delicious on the palate. So I've got a nice chill on here. You do want this wine served with a slight chill. As far as mouthfeel goes, yeah, it's exactly what I anticipated. That really nice, bright, sort of lively palate on there. Really a fun wine to have on the palate. And it's about medium body as well. But more than that, oh, this wine is all about that flavor. It actually reminds me a little bit of a sangria without that sort of kind of orange citrus that comes with a sangria. It's like all the really pretty red fruit characteristic that's in a sangria. And then a little bit of like red licorice in there as well. And there's like just a touch of dry rose petal, but over all of that is that strawberry, blackberry, and raspberry. I mean, it's such a fruity delight on the palate. This is pretty fun. It strikes me as kind of like serious too. I really am kind of blown away by the quality level here. I think this is a really easy drinking wine and one to kind of just kick back and appreciate. But of course, I want to blend it. Okay, yes, we are doing this meme again here. I'm gonna get my kind of own creation going here, and again, not a cooking channel, and I'm not a mixologist. I don't know what I'm doing, but we're gonna give it our best shot. So here we go. I'm gonna start with some pineapples. I've got about 2 ounces of rum in here, and then I'm going to use the Stella Rosa Royale as well. So maybe I'll start with some pineapple. Okay, I don't know how much to put. I'm gonna put that much. I have pre-poured about 2 ounces of rum here, so I will add that in. And finally, we will add our Stella Rosa Royale. And I'm kind of just making enough here for one drink, so I don't know if that's, I assume that's enough. We'll see how it goes. I just want one glass. Okay, I added more of everything. I added pineapple, I added ice, and a little more of the good stuff here. Here we go. Okay, it smells a lot less like fire. Let's hope it tastes that way. Bottoms up. Dang, that's actually really nice. Yeah, super drinkable. Oh, that pineapple goes so well with the fruitiness of the Rosso, and the rum adds kind of like a nice silkiness to it too. This is a really refreshing, very tropical drink. I like this a lot. I'm not going to leave the recipe like in a link or anything because this was so amateur, but hey, it's a lot of fun, and if I can do it, you certainly can. Now let's play with some vodka. Okay, this time around I want to use strawberries and vodka. That is the next sort of blend here. I'll throw my ice, and I want to use much less than I did with the rum. So this is just a tiny little bit, that looks like maybe an ounce of vodka there, and then I'll really fill her up with the Rosso. And I hope this is good because this is like the last of the Rosso here. All right, for good measure. There we go. That looks really nice. Oh, it smells so good. All that strawberry in there is really, really nice. Yeah, great consistency there. Bottoms up. Let's hope this one is a little better. It looks okay, maybe slightly watery, but let's just see how it goes. Oh, that's so good. Again, like, I'm not used to spirits. I mostly drink wine, so it's a little hot for me as far as the vodka. I probably could have leaned back a little bit against that, but the consistency is also maybe a touch watery. I might have wanted it a bit thicker, but seriously, just it was frozen strawberries, vodka, and Stella Rosa Royale, and oh my gosh, this is refreshing. Oh, that is a nice mixed drink. Well, there you have it, winos. Stella Rosa Royale, super versatile. This is gonna go really well with any cocktails you wanna do. Plus, I actually super enjoyed it just on its own. It was a nice self-drinking wine. And on top of that, don't forget to participate in August in Stella Rosa's Royale Marathon, where you can submit your favorite pairings and recipes. And I think that mostly has to do with food. I don't know if that was necessarily cocktails, but I went the cocktail direction. Not much of a cook, as you know if you follow this channel. If you enjoyed what you saw here today, please leave me a like. That helps so much. Don't forget to share this video with your wine friends. And until next time, winos, drink safe and drink well. Cheers.